Hello everyone. In this session today we are going to perform experiment on RC series circuit. The purpose of performing experiment on RC series circuit is to determine the active, reactive and apparent power consumed by RC series circuit. In order to perform experiment on RC series circuit, we select two elements. First one is resistor and second one is in capacitor. 100-watt lamp in this case act as a resistive load and a capacitor of suitable value act as a capacitive load, and both are collectively act as RC series circuit load. In order to perform experiment on RC series circuit, we basically require single phase variac. The main purpose of using variac is to change or vary the input supply voltage applied to the RC series circuit. Next one is a voltmeter, AC voltmeter of 0 to 300 volt range in order to measure the value of input voltage applied across RC series circuit. Next is 0 to 2 ampere ammeter which is of AC. The main purpose of using 0 to 2 ampere AC ammeter is to measure the value of current taken by RC series circuit. Next one is wattmeter of 100 watt, 100 volt and 1 ampere is connected in RC series circuit in order to measure the value of power consumed by RC series circuit. Similarly, in order to measure the value of voltage across resistor, that is VR, and the voltage across capacitor VC, we have to use a suitable value multimeter. Now I am going to perform experiment on RC series circuit. I am going to set the input voltage value to 190 volt to RC series circuit. Therefore, here I am wearing the rotary knob of single phase variac. This will helps in changing the voltage across RC series circuit. Here I am going to set the input voltage for first reading to 190 volt. Therefore, for input voltage of 190 volt, the current consumed by RC series circuit is 0.315 ampere and the active power consumed by RC series circuit is 29 watt. Now I am going to measure the voltage across resistor with the use of this multimeter. Therefore, for a voltage of 190 volt, voltage across resistor is 112.1 volt, and for 190 input supply voltage, voltage across capacitor is 163.3 volt. Now I am going to set the input voltage to 200 volt. Therefore, for 200 volt input supply voltage, current value is 0.328 ampere and the power consumed by RC series circuit is 35 watt. Similarly, for a input voltage of 200 volt, voltage across resistor is 121.1 volt and voltage across capacitor is 170.5 volt. Now for a voltage of 210 volt, input current or the current consumed by RC series circuit is 0.342 ampere and the power consumed by, which is also called as active power, 40 watt. Power consumed by RC series circuit is 40 watt. Voltage across resistor for a voltage of 210 volt is 129.7 volt, and voltage across capacitor for a voltage of 210 volt is 177.2 volt. Now for a voltage of 220 input volt, current consumed by RC series circuit is 0.351 ampere, and the active power consumed by RC series circuit is 44.5 watt. Now for an input voltage of 220 volt, the voltage across resistor is 136.4 volt, and voltage across capacitor is 182.2 volt. Now I am going to set the input voltage to 230 volt. This will be our final reading. Therefore, for an input voltage of 230 volt, current is 0.362 ampere, and the power consumed is 49 watt, and voltage across resistor is 144.4 volt, and voltage across capacitor is 187.9 volt. Therefore, with the values of input supply voltage, then current, power consumed by RC series circuit, voltage across resistor, voltage across capacitor, it is very much easy for us to determine the values of active power, reactive power and apparent power.